Hey everyone, so I'm doing another one of my creepy, spooky horror dolls. I'm gonna go ahead and record it, show you what I'm doing here. Um, Gonna turn my little ballerina here. Well, I already removed her hair and her outfit and everything. Shoes don't come off, they're staying on. We don't need to paint her legs anyways, so it doesn't matter. We're gonna make her dead, so let's do it. All right, last time I used white, and I kind of want to keep her, I don't really want to do like pure white, so maybe some gray here, gray her up a little bit. So I'm just going to start, go all over the face here. And again, if you have not yet gone over to my Etsy shop, everything that I paint and do on here will be up for sale on my shop. It doesn't matter, I got paint on her eyes, but I'm going to paint her eyes anyways, so don't need to be too careful there. Paint her gray, give her a little ghastly look. And we're gonna end up gluing her hair back over all this, so it doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint it anyways. Little stray hairs. Trying to paint those up and off the face. And give her a couple coats so it's not streaky. And we'll use the blow dryer to speed up the drying process a little bit. So we're just gonna go over all the open areas. It's funny what they use for porcelain dolls to enhance things. Take some of that hair off there. Actually use some of it to my advantage too. Okay, so we're just going to do this all over the head, neck, face, and the arms. I'll do a couple coats just to make sure it's covered and not too streaky, and then we'll start adding some gashes to her and whatever else we decide. Be right back. All right, so she's all ready to have some detailing done to her. Not quite sure if I want to red her eyes out or black her eyes out, so I'll figure that out as I go. So I'm going to take some black here and just go around her eyes. Darken them up a bit. I have some ideas in my head what I want to do, so I'm going to roll with it. One eye. I'm going to do the same thing over here to this eye. Doesn't have to be perfect, just trying to make her look dead. trying to keep this in camera. I apologize. All right, so got that going on there. I'm just gonna add a little bit to her nostrils and above the tail, above the lip, trying to anyways. A little definition. Not too much there. A little bit. Alrighty. So now, I think I am going to go ahead and black her eyes out. I think that looks sweet. So I'm just gonna go back in my black here and just kind of dab it all in. Dead eyes. And do that to the other one. And that's pretty sick. Just came together nicely here. All right, so now I think I'm gonna add to her lips. Do some of this darker red I have going on here. Sure you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go around the outline. Pouty lips on the dead girl. We'll go over that a couple times here. Need a smaller brush. I don't want it too big. Go. Try that one. It's much better. Much better. Close as I'll get to being a mortician. Fun fact, for a split second in my life, I thought about doing that. Don't think I'd be cut out for it. All right, there you go. So now, dry off this brush because I like this brush. We're gonna go in and use my black first. I'm just gonna add like a gash. You can hear a puppy dog playing in the background if you hear that grunting sound back there. This might need a little bit of attention. All right, so just gonna do it like that because her hair is gonna go back over that. So I might go a little bit higher. Gotta love dogs. They're the greatest. All right, so let's see where else I want to put. Shouldn't be this hard to figure out. maybe one along the cheek here. And what the hell, you know what we're gonna do? Start with that. All right, I got a few cuts there going on. I'm gonna take my red and go along. Big cuts. All right, sweet, see it. What am I doing? My special effects makeup. All right, so we got one gash there. I'm just gonna go do the same thing over here. Then take a darker, and a little bit of the lighter red. Set up, and then we're just gonna kind of make that big and icky. And I just said icky. Maybe that kind of trying to make you a little gaping. Poor girl had better days. All right, go back in my black here. Just kind of put that in there as it looks like an opening. There we go. Bloody mess, just like we like them. All right, so now I want to make it like she's bleeding out of her eyes here. I'm just that was pretty cool. And do the same over in this eye. All right, there you go. All right, so that's pretty much all I want to do. I'm gonna go over the black around the eyes a little bit more, and then I'll come back with the finished product. I'm trying to turn it off with my phone, my watch, and it shut off on me. Be right back. All right, here's our dead little ballerina, our final product. Ugh, can't talk. So, if you like what you saw here tonight, this little beauty will be up for sale on my Etsy shop as soon as this video drops. So, you can take a piece of Ginger Slap's dead dolls home with you. All right, until next time, have a great night.